Humans learned to use fire at least 1 to 1.5 million years ago, and possibly even earlier. Here's a breakdown of the key milestones. Early evidence, 1.5 million years ago. Evidence from sites like Kubifora and Chesawanja in Kenya suggests early hominins may have used fire. 1 million years ago. Stronger evidence comes from Wonderwerk Cave in South Africa, where ash and charred bones suggest controlled use of fire by Homo erectus. Controlled fire versus natural fire. Early humans likely first used natural fire, e.g., from lightning strikes. Controlled use, bringing, maintaining, and using fire for cooking or protection, developed gradually over time. Making fire, e.g., striking flint, came even later, possibly within the last 400,000 years. Key benefits: cooking food, which made digestion easier, protection from predators, warmth in colder climates, social bonding around campfires. So, while sporadic use may go back 1.5 million years, regular and controlled use likely became widespread around 400,000 to 800,000 years ago.